This is a 5-star review for Creole Solutions, specifically for the professional services offered and provided by Marlene Julian. The law office is a Carey Dowdy PLLC. We're an immigration firm, and we typically have a need for interpreting services for our clients, particularly the ones that are detained. And so, without services such as Creole Solutions, we would never be able, or I wouldn't say never, but the ability to fully and adequately represent a client would be frustrated. Uh, Creole Solutions is very flexible. You could tell that Marlene Julian really cares, but at the same time, she's able to maintain that professionalism while still caring. And so that line is preserved. Again, Creole Solutions, professionalism personified. I will certainly use them again for future clients and current. Thank you, Creole Solutions and Marlene specifically.